happy Vlogmas, day 18. It is the best day of Vlogmas other than Christmas. It's the day my family goes and gets their Christmas tree. So Donnie and I are just getting ready. We're gonna meet my family for brunch at the Buttery, which is like a little cafe patisserie type place. And then we're gonna go to World Market, which if you follow my channel for a long time, you know is my mom and I's tradition. But this year we have the whole family going. We just look at wrapping paper, we look at the little ornaments that they have, and then we'll go get our Christmas tree and we'll see if we have time to decorate it. I think my family also wanted to do family photos, so I'm all dressed up. So it's gonna be a lot of really fun festive things. I've just been waiting for this day all month and I'm so excited. So it's gonna be a great day. Say hi to Vlogmas.
Hello.
Well, we made out like a bandit. You'll have to do a little haul when we get home of all the cute stuff we got. All right, a little haul of what we got at World Market. We got this wrapping paper and this one. Ooh, so pretty. This is not for you. Then we got this huge bag and this set of 3 little bags. They have the cutest stuff. And then she went to Rite Aid and got those. Some cute little tissue paper. Oh my god, some more bows. Some cute little bags. Oh, and some boxes. Nice. That's the haul. We're about to take our family photo. Family photo is complete. That was like the quickest we've ever done it. Donnie was such a good photographer, except that we were trying to get Ollie to look and he was making funny sounds. And now there's like a million photos of me cracking up. But now we're gonna go and get our Christmas tree. It smells so good this year. So, we're always a noble fur family, but none of the noble furs this year look that great or smell that good, so we might be getting a Douglas fir. But all we really care about is the smell, so biggest test. You gotta smell. That one didn't smell good. Keep trying.
What about this one?
That one looks okay. So we just dropped off the tree at my parents' house and now Donnie and I are headed to his dad's for a quick lunch. It's 2:30 p.m. so the day is going by quick. But yeah, we'll have to decorate the tree in a couple of days when we're back down in Santa Cruz because we didn't get time to do that today, obviously. But yeah, Sundays always go by too fast. I feel like Saturdays are like a normal pace day and then Sundays I like blink and it's 3 p.m. and all of a sudden it's like, oh, start to get into like wind down, get ready for the week mode. So that's what's up. We are just headed to his dad's and then after that I think we're just gonna like do some work. We're trying to decide if we're gonna go back to SF tonight or tomorrow, but we'll go from there. Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 18. It's Monday morning and I'm working from home, so I just finished my morning calls and I'm making a coffee and gonna sit down and plan out the rest of the week basically. There's a bunch of little things I have to get done, nothing that's like huge in terms of deliverables, but just a lot of like stuff I want to wrap up before the end of the year so I can really enjoy the vacation. So I'm gonna make a list of all the different things that I have going on, put an estimate of how long it's gonna take me, and then schedule out basically the next few days. So making my coffee right now, using my cute Target Christmas mug, which sparks so much joy. I picked off my nail polish this morning, which is terrible. One of my nails broke. So I want to get these done today as a reward. Also, like I cut my finger. They're sad. My nails are so brittle now. It's terrible. So I came for a quick lunch break, got my favorite turkey cranberry sandwich. They're playing Christmas music, which is fun. And I am securing the Pandoro. If you watch my channel, you know we eat this Christmas morning and it's so hard to find. So I knew I was gonna come here when I saw it like a month ago. It was so cold outside. I was wondering why it was so freezing. And then I checked the weather. It's 44 degrees outside. SF is so cold this winter. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God. And our apartment like is not getting that warm. We have the heat full blast. Again, I couldn't figure out why it's so warm. It's because it's freezing outside. So it's about 4:30 now, and it's so funny. I make these schedules like I was telling you about where I like plan out my day by the hour. And I did this during COVID because I don't know. I just feel like when you're working from home and there's not like the energy of other people working around you, it's easy to be a little bit sluggish. So planning my day out like hour by hour was actually really helpful. And I felt like I needed to do that today because I had so many like small things that I could easily spend, I don't know, a long time on that I just need to be efficient on. And I'm about 20 minutes behind schedule, but one of my calls ran long, so that's not my fault. So I feel like I'm having a really productive day, which feels really, really good. And yeah, it's super, super gray outside. It's honestly just like so cozy sitting here. I love our living room. I want to finish decorating the top of this and maybe like a picture or a mirror here or something, but just having this light makes all the difference. I just feel like this little space is so cozy. And I love sitting out here instead of the bedroom because I think if I'm sitting in the bedroom, I'll end up like wanting to nap. I'm gonna go back to work, try to get back on schedule by being extra efficient on my next task. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Happy Vlogmas Day 20, coming to you live from my bed with my Starbucks, which is very cold because I got this at like 10 a.m. this morning, but I'm almost done with it, so we're gonna finish it. I'm just working from home again and having a super productive day. I honestly am ahead of schedule, which is really impressive, but I owe that to the fact that I had an expert call that was not that helpful and it was supposed to be an hour and I cut it off at 30 minutes, but that's 30 minutes of my day that I get back. So since I'm ahead of schedule, I booked in to get my nails done this evening, and I think I'm gonna go for like a nude with a chrome finish or something like that that's like a little festive for the holidays, also kind of fits for New Year's but doesn't stray too far away from my like neutral simple self. So anyway, that's what we're up to. Not a lot to vlog today other than working, so I will catch up with you guys a bit later when we're headed to go get my nails done. All right, I am running late, but let's go get my nails done. We're at Costco doing our annual Christmas gift buy. We do this for all of Donnie's family, and it's so funny to go and see what they have. So here's what we have so far. Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 21. Literally cannot believe how fast this month is going. I think I've said that 3 times this video, but nonetheless, it is like 11:15. I just finished getting ready, tossed my hair up in a claw clip because my new favorite life hack is on like day 3 and 4 after I've used my Dyson. I just tossed it up in a claw clip and then it comes down and it's like got a little bit of movement to it and it just refreshes it a little bit. Perfect for like Zoom days where you don't actually need to look good, you just need to look like presentable. Anyway, I'm wearing my new robe. I think this is the first time I've showed it in Vlogmas, but this is what I bought the first day at Target and I love it. It sat in my laundry hamper for like half of the month, but I finally washed it and can wear it, so super cozy. Also, my nails from yesterday, oh my God. They turned out so good. I'm obsessed. It is bubble bath with then a like white chrome on top, and I just think it is so like classy, but still fun for the holidays. And then I just got red on my toes, so nothing special there, but obsessed. Honestly, I'm never going anywhere other than the nail room. I tried a couple different places in the last month and they've all not been nearly as good. These manicures, I mean, I'll update you in my January vlog if I decide to do monthly vlogs next year. Honestly, not sure. Let me know in the comments below if I should. But I will update you on whether or not this lasts. But in the past, when I've gone to the nail room, they will literally last me upwards of a month, which is crazy. They're like obviously grown out, but everywhere else I've gone barely lasts 2 weeks. Hard gel, this is the way to go. They do such a good job not damaging your nails, and I just can't say enough good things about them. They're always so sweet. So anyway, that's my plug on the nail room. Now let's get back to work. And voila, there's the hair post claw clip. As you can see, it has just a little bit of curl to it. So anyway, just gonna hop on my call that I was preparing for, and after that it's lunchtime. So it's a bit later now. We are just about to pack up and go down to Santa Cruz. So I'm taking a break from work and gonna pack up a ton of stuff. I'm like kind of scared about how many bags we're gonna bring down. We might need an Uber XL.